Hi guys and welcome back again to Gothic TV. Today meron tayong feature na very powerful build which is consisting of AM5 and DDR5 parts. This is a future-proof unit and rig for AAA games such as GTA 6 na i-release in the future. So, feature natin tong 9070 XT from Radeon and meron din tayo ditong 9800X3D na very powerful processor by AMD. Next is ang gagamitin natin for our boot drive, Legend na 860 2000 GB, yes, 2 TB siya. And meron din tayo ditong Trident Z5 na new RGB from Gskill. So, ang gagamitin natin ng motherboard for this build is this one, Aorus P850 Elite Wifi. As for the power supply, gagamit tayo dito ng A850GL PCIe 5 ready na MSI power supply. As for our cooling solution, ang gagamitin natin is Wave series na DV360S from Darkflash. For our fans, gagamit tayo ng Darkflash DM12F na 3-in-1 and additional fans. As for the PC case naman, ang gagamitin natin is Coolman Spectra Luxe. Okay, so that's it for our parts and let's proceed to build montage after this.
You stole my heart of gold after my silver soul. Can you dig any deeper now? I gave you all
Okay, so tapos na yung build natin and this is how it looks. So nakita nyo naman, very pleasing to the eye. Maganda yung ating color combination. Airflow-wise, very good. Performance is good. Ready na siya for AAA games on future releases such as yun nga, GTA 6 and other AAA games pa in the future. So that's it for our video. I hope nag-enjoy kayo. If you like the video, please comment and subscribe to our channel, Gotech TV. Sa mga gusto namang mag-shopping dyan, gustong bumili at umorder sa amin, meron tayong dalawang page. Firstly, sa Lazada, meron tayong Gotech MicroBiz. And second, dun sa ating Shopee, meron tayong Mr. Shopman. Sa mga gustong mag-reach out and yun nga, magtanong sa amin, mag-inquire, pwede nyo kami i-reach out sa ating page sa Facebook, which is Gotech MicroBiz. So, that's it. And till next time.